Alright, I'm gonna walk down for a closer look so you guys can see. I may or may not attempt to climb on this bad boy. It all depends on what we got going on down here. And if you're down for a good hike, this little short hill is pretty steep. Will definitely give you a good workout. That's a shout out to my boy Ant Pruitt, who loves cardio. Whoop, just fell there. All right. Awesome. I'm filming this on my LG V30, and I'm playing around with the Sin mode, if you're wondering, and it's kind of cool how this how it's able to layer this nice color grade on everything. All right, let's see here. That seems kind of stable. Okay. Now, one major advantage is this V30 is waterproof. So let me take my R200 out of my pocket so it doesn't fall and hit the ground. It is not waterproof. Oh, I made it. Okay. Hey, it improved. Somebody actually tied this thing down. It's cool. Last time I was here, it was a rinky-dinky ladder. Anyway, so here we are. It's the top. Look at that reflection. I can stay out here all day and just find different perspectives to shoot. Oh man, this is awesome. So it looks like we got a little rope to swing across. I don't think I'm doing that today. Up this ladder. Oh, man. Okay. I think I got my cardio. I just climbed all the way to the top. As you can see. Whew. I've been wanting to do this since I first discovered this dredge, and don't know when I'm going to be back in Alaska again, so I guess it's now or never. Alright, I'm going to snap a few pics and then I'm going to climb back down. So I've been up since about 3 o'clock this morning. This trip to Alaska has just been amazing because I've been able to kind of just come out and photograph and shoot and not really worry about anybody else. I know it's selfish, but it's just really cool. But I am on top of this awesome Now I would go out on this sketchy looking burnt up wood platform thing, but yeah, no. Alright, I'm on my way down. Climb all the way back down there. The good thing is going down is a whole lot easier than going up. Definitely gonna miss this place. Ever come to Alaska, put this on your bucket list. This is a pretty cool thing to visit. another sketchy predicament right here. This boards are all tore up. Shout out to Sadie Nell. Sadie Nelly or Nell. I think we got the message. You like writing your name. Now it's time to make the journey back down the sketchy ladder here and up this nice little cardio trail.
The wickedest time me and me girl a come. Band Americans to the place now. Now put it on, Papa make it handy.